There's nothing more engaging when presenting a campaign to clients than showing them how their ads will look in real life. To achieve this in the digital world, we often need to create mockups. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ShotSo to create those mockups. Once you are in shot.so, you'll see the workspace. You can either click on this icon or simply drag and drop a design you create before. On the right side, you'll find various pre-made compositions with different angles and perspectives. Choose the one that works best for your design. On the left side, you have two options, the mockup section and the frame switcher. In the mockup section, you can customize everything about your mockup, while in the frame option, you can change the background design. If we go back to the mockup section and click on the screen area, you can adjust the format of your mockup. Once you select your preferred mockup device, you can tweak it using the tool on the left side. Now, I'm going to download it with this background and edit it in another software. Also, I'm going to download it without background and download it as a PNG for use in different designs. Like other tools, ShotSo is constantly evolving. To get the most out of it, always check the What's New section where you can see the latest features. Now, it's your turn to create your mockups.